go. It's Saturday afternoon. We're looking to get into this place, which is a hat factory in New York. I wear hats, so it's kind of cool. This hat here is from Quad Dizzle. And if you don't know, Quad Dizzle makes hats, he makes merch, and it's all the best. The best of the best of the best. So you can quit buying that Chinese made to order junk, and you can hit up Quad Daddy and buy up some good stuff. But in the meantime, we're gonna figure out how to fly this place, which is a hat factory. Got Raz, got Tinker, got Sis, got Laura. We got this like foamy gross water. We got Smoky Skies from Canada. It's all pretty fun. It's all pretty fun. So hopefully we can get in here, figure this thing out, rip some fucking packs. Yep. Gotta check out our first stop here. Fuck dude, this place is fucking hammered. Oh fuck. Another boring ass bando, guys. Nothing to do. Nowhere to go. Fuck yeah, look at this. It's got power loop Matty flipped all over it.
This is an FPTV exclusive.
Pretty sick. I think we got some pretty good packs there. Hit some sick roof gaps. Now I guess we're gonna try and climb up this fucking thing. So we have found, I would say, the sickest part of this spot. There's nothing to do. It's probably as boring as you can be. There's little gaps. Do you see the little gap? That's boring. Fuck, does anyone have a banana? Okay, well anyways, I can't show you a banana, but if you can picture a banana is about the size of my hand, I have banana hands, okay? So there you go, that's about a banana gap. About half a banana gap. We'll make it work. This looks sick. Yeet, yeet. good time. We will have to check in with you on the next one. Till then, peace, motherfuckers.
TEAM.MANIACS.com. Check us out. Follow us on YouTube and stuff.
Is it a reason to carry this GoPro through the store?
I don't think there's a reason right now. What do you think?
Why are we here? I thought we were...
Well, we're here for that. We were here for that, and apparently I fucked up.
Okay.
So why are we here now? We're just gonna walk through a Walmart like we're...
Well, I know I fucked up. Fucked up.